Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all safe and sound at home. Today, we are going to learn something new, and that is comprehension. And this is for the first time we are going to do in class 1. In this comprehension, we will discuss about a little boy just like you who goes to school and he loves going to school. The name of the boy is Rohit. So now I will start the reading. Rohit is a young boy. He goes to school every day at 8:30 a.m. He goes to school on foot. It takes him just about 5 minutes. So he walks slowly. Rohit loves to watch cartoons. Every evening he spends about an hour watching his favorite cartoons. I hope you also love watching cartoon. Similarly, he also loves. He watches cartoons on the TV in the living room. He goes to bed every night before 10 p.m. So this was the comprehension about the boy Rohit. Similarly, hope you also sleep well on time. So now you have already read the passage. So now we will find the questions from this passage. All the answers are from this passage only. But remember one thing, children, as we have read this comprehension passage, now we will find the answers from this passage. The first question is, complete these sentences. Rohit is a young boy. While doing this, we will underline the sentences from the comprehension and we will underline that sentence. But the answer should be only up till full stop. Next, from where the next sentence starts, we will not write that sentence. So the first one is, Rohit is a young boy. So we will read it from here. Rohit is a young boy. So up till boy, we will write. Then we will come to the second sentence. He goes to school every day. He goes to the school every day at 8:30 a.m. So we will write 8:30 a.m. only up till 8:30. Next, write true or false. True means correct and false means wrong. The first one is, Rohit goes to school by bus. Just see in this passage, Rohit goes to school on foot. But here it is written bus. So this one is false because he goes to school on foot and not by bus. The second one is, Rohit loves to watch cartoons. As I already told you that even you also loved watching cartoons. Similarly, he also loved watching. The third question which we are going to do is, circle all the naming words. From these words, we have to find only the naming words and we will circle them only. Boy. Boy is the name of a person, so we will circle it. Next is every. This is not a naming word. Next is school. This is a naming word again and it is the name of a place. Then is goes. It is again not a naming word. Foot. It is the naming word and it's the name of a thing. Then it's TV. It's again the name of a thing. Loves. It is not a naming word. And the last is bed. It is again the name of a thing. The last question is, the opposite of morning is, we have three options, day, evening and night. We have to find the correct one and tick on the correct one. The opposite of morning is evening. But before putting a tick, we have to see whether this word is there in the passage or not. Like we will go through the passage and then we will find out. So here is the sentence. Every evening he spends about an hour watching his favorite cartoon. So evening is there. So the opposite of morning is evening. So we will tick in the evening. So this was the last question. And with this, we come to the end of the comprehension. So goodbye.